Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring an extraordinary embodiment of nomadic elegance, a three-wheel micro motorhome that harmonizes vintage charm with contemporary refinement, all set against a landscape of sweeping mountains and tranquil valleys. At first encounter, the exterior commands admiration through restraint rather than extravagance. The curvature is fluid, uninterrupted, and meticulously proportioned, creating an aesthetic that feels both nostalgic and progressive. The tri-wheel configuration is particularly compelling. Beyond its mechanical practicality, it reinforces the vehicle's distinctive identity. The single front wheel and dual rear stance create a balanced geometry that enhances maneuverability while preserving visual symmetry. This is not merely engineering, it is sculptural mobility. Positioned beneath the open sky and framed by mountainous terrain, the motorhome appears almost poetic, a serene refuge amid vast natural grandeur. The contrast between compact architecture and expansive surroundings underscores its philosophical appeal. Freedom need not be excessive. It must simply be intentional. As the side door opens, the interior reveals itself with understated magnificence. Warm, ambient lighting immediately envelops the cabin, transforming the space into an intimate sanctuary. The wooden cabinetry, finished in rich natural tones, introduces organic warmth that contrasts beautifully with the cool exterior palette. Moving toward the rear, the seating and resting area embodies comfort, distilled to its purest form. Upholstered surfaces maintain a neutral palette, encouraging serenity and calm. The space does not overwhelm with embellishment. Instead, it invites quiet reflection. The roofline incorporates subtle utility elements, hinting at potential solar integration or storage adaptability. These features reinforce the ethos of self-sufficiency. A mobile dwelling designed not merely for short excursions, but for immersive off-grid experiences. Imagine awakening within this micro-motorhome as mist drifts across the mountains. A warm beverage prepared on the compact counter becomes part of a ritual, one that transforms travel into mindful living. Ultimately, this remarkable creation stands as a testament to the evolving philosophy of travel. It demonstrates that the future of mobility may very well lie in thoughtful reduction, aesthetic integrity, and harmonious integration with nature.